is standard form? Standard form, it is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. So, where ax squared is what we call the quadratic term, bx is what we call the linear term, and c is the constant term. We have 2x times the quantity of x minus 3 equals 12. So this is also a quadratic equation. This equation is not written in standard form. So we need to rewrite this equation into standard form. To rewrite this equation into standard form, we have to expand the product to change into standard form. Expand the product meaning we simplify, we multiply this equation. Okay, 2x times the quantity of x minus 3 equals 12. Again, we're going to use this distributive property. So 2x times x equals 2x squared, and 2 times negative 3 is negative 6x. Then equals 12. So we need to equate to 0 kasi hindi pa yan naka-equal sa 0. Okay, 2x squared minus 6x equals 12. Okay, to equate to 0, this is the first step. Okay, we're going to use the addition property of equality. Okay, pag sinabi nating addition property of equality, kapag nag-add tayo sa may left side ng equation, mag-a-add din tayo doon sa right side ng equation. In this example, okay, para maging 0, yung right side natin, yung dito sa may right side ng equation natin, kailangan matanggal yung 12 at maging 0. So, mag-a-add tayo ng negative 12, both left and right of the equation. Okay, and then simplify. We have 2x squared minus 6x minus 12 equals 12 minus 12 is 0. So, therefore, we have 2x squared minus 6x minus 12 equals 0. So, this is now, this equation now is in standard form. We have ax squared plus bx plus c.